Hi guys, so we are still working on packet number 1 with data questions, and I realize this is not a very clear copy, so make sure you have your paper copy out in front of you. We're going to tackle a question with bar graphs. I think one really great strategy is just to make sure that you're noting how much each bar is worth. So we're talking about number of students who got on a bus at bus stop number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for this bar, it goes all the way up to the 5. So I'm just going to jot down 5 here. And then for this bus, it's past the 10, but below the 15. So I'm going to jot down 13. For bus number 3, it's not quite at the 25. So I'm going to jot down 24. For bus number 4, it's not quite at 5 students who got on. So I'm going to jot down 4. And then for bus number 5, it's not halfway in between 0 and 5, but it's towards closer to the 0 than the 5. So I'm going to say that 2 students got on the bus at bus stop number 5. So when I write all of this information down, it's looking really close to this chart that I'm trying to match. 5 students right here, 13 students, 24, 4, and 2. But I'm not going to stop there because I want to make sure that all of these answer choices are not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to circle it, but then I might change my answer later on. So far this one matches again with 5 and 13. But then bus stop number 3 proves that this is not the correct answer because it's just slightly over 20. So I'm thinking 21 or 22, and that needs to be 24. So I'm going to say no to answer choice C. Over here, remember bus stop number 1 needed to match 5 people getting on, and this is much lower than the 5 mark. So I'm going to say like 2 or 3. So I discount choice B. And then this one goes all the way past 10 and under 15, which is 13 people for bus stop number 1. So I'm going to get rid of choice D. And now I've just proven that choice A is correct. I hope this was helpful to you. Make sure you put in a lot of the effort with looking at your bar graphs before you decide on your answer.